All right, sir. You know why you're here?
Do not.
It's time for your rank up interview.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am.
You have all the answers.
I do.
All right, let's go. Let's start off an easy one. What is RP13, sir?
One second. That would be faction NRP.
Yes, sir. What's your current rank?
My current rank is 5. I am a lieutenant, sir.
Thank you, sir. And what would be your next rank?
That would be captain, sir.
Yes, sir. What is the duties as a captain?
And now I remember that each one has their own duties, but hold on, let me go look one more time.
Yes, sir.
I know that most of these positions up until the suit requires us to be here for at least 1 to 2 raids a day and at least one training is what it said. Um, I don't know if it's 2 for this next position or if it's just 1, but let me double check so I'm not misspeaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
I almost forget where the hell was that information at, sir?
All right. Um, Go back and look into our DMs. I sent you everything. You're talking about rank. You talking about rank requirements. I just wanted to know what your duties is for this rank. So go back and look at both of those real quick.
In our direct messages, right?
Yes, in our direct messages, I sent you rank requirements, ranking duties, and also the five base rules.
Oh yeah, I see. I just found them again. It's because we have sent a bunch of photos to each other. I didn't scroll up.
Yes, sir.
It's the same as my responsibility right now.
Yes, sir. Correct. Um, what
I knew it
is
said that though. I knew it said that.
what's RP14
Oh, that's sexual harassment. No sexual harassment or
and
harassment.
or yes, sir. What is chat one?
Oh, is that when? Is it AFK? Wait, hold on. So that one was just strictly to insulting other individuals for no reason.
Yes, yes, sir. And what is chat two?
That's hold on. That's for I think that one's like if like you were insulting somebody but you like insulted their mom or some shit or like their brother or
Yes,
their
yes. What is RP8?
that one was no AFK.
Correct, correct. And what is RP11, sir?
Non-compliance with protected areas, committing crimes or attacking other players in green zones or work zones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is very correct. And for the last one, give me one army rule that you can do that will get you fired immediately. Give me the number. Army one, two, three, four, five. Just give me the number and tell me what it is.
Okay, hold on. Army number 6.
And give me
Non-observance of subordination, not following orders of the generals, deputies, or leader. One reprimand or a dismissal of an employee by the decision of any leader.
correct, sir. All right, sir. You passed it on mine. And because I got to turn this in, I'm going to be tasing you now. Nope. Stand there and take it like a man. Come here. Congratulations, sir.
Why'd
Um,
you do me like that, Mom?
Sabrina, can you stop it and